So I had to unplug this from here. There's a hole right here, so this has to be unplugged. You take both clips off the side. So now she's unclipped. You wiggle this off, and you get your air filter. So you remove it. Hold please, because I'm only me. Look at how nasty. She nasty. So you pick one of these up. The air filter of choice. I don't really care which one it is as long as it gets the job done. So take her out the box. Here she is, clean, pristine, next to old Rusty Dusty. You're probably wondering, Lindsay, why are you changing this yourself? There's professionals. The answer is, I was told it needed changed and that they were unable to have my filter inside. So, I'd like to show people how to change their own, because not today, Satan. Not today. So, you set it on in here. You gotta make sure there's a little knobby knob that has to be facing towards the headlight. You throw your clippy, your little thing back on. Ooh. Again, it's just me. Hold please. Alright. Make sure that your clips are on the outside. Push it on in. You clip it on in. Clipped. You take your wires that I don't know what to do, but they do something electrical, and you plug it back in, and you're done. Sorry for the bad view, but again, it was just me. Dirty filter, new air filter installed. So you're going to lift that back up and close your hood.